Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in two different colors. The yarn is in size 4 medium and crochet hook is in size 4 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. So for this pattern we need to chain multiples of 4 plus 2. So I will chain 22, so now that I've chained 22, on the second chain from the hook I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain 1 single crochet. So I'll continue making 1 single crochet through each chain throughout row 1. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around and then I'll chain 4. Now I'll skip one chain and through a second chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next 2 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. And this is row 2. I'll chain 1, then I'll skip one chain and through the next 3 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. I'll chain 1, then I'll skip one chain and through the next 3 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Chain 1, I'll skip one chain and through the next 3 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. I'll chain 1, I'll skip one chain and through the next 3 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. And now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll use yarn in different color. I'll turn my work around. Then I insert my hook right here through this first double crochet chain. Then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I will chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 2, then through the same chain I'll make 2 double crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 2, then through the same 1 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, then through the same 1 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, then through the same 1 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, then through the same 1 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Now through this 4th turning chain right there to that last loop I'll make 2 single crochet. Now right here through this last loop I'll make 1 single crochet. So this completes row 3. So this is all for today guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.